heavy things should fall faster, right?
I fall straight and fast. Nothing pushes me back. So I reach the ground first.
Whoa! The air keeps pushing me. I wiggle and float. That's why I'm slower.
Air doesn't stop me much. I fall clean and quick.
Air loves to push me. That's why I float and dance. Air pushes light things more. Heavy things fall straight. That's the difference.
No air, same speed.
We looked close today, but there's more to discover.